Peasur 4x4 solar post cap lights deliver colorful ambient lighting with multiple static shades and a smooth color cycling mode that makes decks and fences look thoughtfully finished. The fixtures are sized to sit neatly on standard 4x4 or 3½ by 3½ inch wood or vinyl posts, so they integrate cleanly with most common railings and perimeter layouts. Because they run entirely on solar power and switch themselves on at dusk and off at dawn, they add practical pathway and perimeter lighting without increasing your electric bill or needing timers. The housings are sealed against rain and snow, so the lights keep working reliably through changing seasons, instead of needing to be taken down whenever the weather turns bad. Installation is straightforward with a simple base and screw design that avoids any wiring, making it realistic for a single person to upgrade an entire fence or deck in an afternoon. Once installed, the easy access button underneath lets you change colors or modes without tools, so you can quickly shift from everyday accent lighting to a more festive look for gatherings.